Hi everyone, Spiderman here. Well, as you all know, my giant rainforest mantis lives in this enclosure here, and she is just there. I've had a few subscribers asking me questions about my mantis, and one of the questions was, have you tried to handle her? I haven't. I've handled her a few times, but not on camera. So a few people have asked me to try and handle her. And yeah, I'll definitely do that for my lovely subscribers. So let's get her out of the enclosure and let's see if she's going to be a good girl. And there we go, everyone. Got her off the enclosure. Okay. But yeah, she's perfectly fine. She don't. She can be a little bit skittish at times, but she's not too bad. As I said, looking at her now, she's probably around about the 2.5 and getting towards the 3-inch mark. But yeah, she's absolutely beautiful. And actually, while I'm here, I'm going to be I'll give her a feed. And she's just doing a little bit of cleaning there. So yeah, so let's get a roach and give her a feed. Okay, so let's see if she'll eat. I think she's more interested in my camera than anything else, really. Well, I don't think she's that hungry, really. No, I don't think she's that hungry, I'm afraid. Never mind. But I got a handling video from her. Let's try just one more time. Let's see if she's... No. Okay, never mind. I thought she'd be hungry, but no, she isn't. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching.